Okay, so today I'll teach you how to make salty and spicy bhindi masala. It's very easy to make and tastes amazing with roti. This recipe serves 2 people. The main ingredient is bhindi, also known as okra. Bhindi is easily available in Indian or Asian grocery stores. I grow my own, so I always have a fresh supply during the season, which runs from June till November. For this recipe, you'll need half a pound or about 250 grams of bhindi, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili for garnish. For spices, you will need 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, salt, and red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Remove the ends and chop bhindi into small pieces like this. Next, peel the onion and slice it thinly. Then peel and chop the tomato into small cubes. And lastly, slice the green chili. Here's a recap of the ingredients. Half a pound of chopped bhindi, 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced, 1 tomato, peeled and chopped, and 1 sliced green chili. Heat up 1/3 cup of oil in a pan. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil, avocado oil, or anything that you normally use. Add chopped bhindi and fry over medium-low heat for 10 minutes till the bhindi starts to change its color. Turn off the stove and remove fried bhindi into a plate or a container. Drain as much oil as possible back into the pan. Now heat up the oil again on medium heat and add cumin seeds. Fry for about 10 to 15 seconds and then add sliced onion. Fry the onions for about 5 minutes till they turn light brown. Now add a 1/4 cup of water. Cover and cook the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. This will soften the onions. Next, add salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Don't add the garam masala yet, that will go at the end. Stir in the spices and add chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are softened, smash them with a spoon and make a sort of paste. Your masala is ready. Now add fried bhindi and gently mix it with the masala. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes over low heat while stirring it every couple of minutes. Sprinkle garam masala and sliced green chili. Put the cover back on and turn off the stove. Let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And here it is, salty spicy bhindi masala. Thanks for watching.